quick little job we need to do. We need to change the flex on that drill, because it is standard household cable core, to this one, right, which is black, brown and grey plus an earth 4 core. It's only, again, it's 8 amp 230 volt. It's not enormous cable that it requires. So we've got a bit of cable here. We're going to swap that out today and we're going to get that put in. Let's crack on. That was a nice easy little fix, wasn't it? Might as well get little jobs ticked off the list like that while we're waiting for the mast to arrive. Day or tomorrow. Hopefully. We'll see. Catch us in the next one. Ta-ra now.